So hello students, so today we are going to study a very important chapter, that is the cell chapter of biology class 9. So let's start with the cell chapter. First of all, what is a cell? So a cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the smallest part of a living organism that can perform all life functions. Example, your body is made of trillions of cells. Even a mosquito is made up of millions of cells. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, but he saw the cells, dead cells. Who discovered the living cells? Anton van Leeuwenhoek discovered the living cells. Now coming to the cell theory proposed by. The cell theory was proposed by Skeledin and Schwann. Skeledin was a botanist and Schwann was a zoologist. Now what does the cell theory say? The cell theory says that all living organism is made up of cells. Cell is the basic unit of life. All cell comes from the pre-existing cells. Cells can be unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular cell means a cell which is made up of single cell, and multicellular cell means a cell that is made up of so many cells. Example of a unicellular cell is amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, and the example of multicellular organism is like humans, trees, dogs. Every cell has three things in common, no matter what type of cell they are. That is a cell membrane or cytoplasm. Now cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called the plasma membrane. So now what is that? The outer covering of the cell that controls what enters and leaves the cell. The outer covering of the cell that controls what will enter and what will leave the cell. That's a very simple thing. Easy meaning of a cell, that is a gatekeeper of the cell. So cell membrane or plasma is the gatekeeper. The properties are it's semi-permeable, means selectively allows certain things to go in and out, and it is flexible. Now cytoplasm, it is a jelly-like fluid that is present inside the cell where all the metabolic activities occur. All the organelles float inside the cytoplasm. Coming to the nucleus, it is called the control center of the cell. Easy meaning the boss of the cell, the brain of the cell. What is the function of a nucleus? It controls all the activities, alright? And it contains the genetic material called DNA, which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Helps in cell division.